Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. I seek refuge in Allah from the cursed shaitan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Ya ayyuhalladzina amanu idza qila lakum tafassahu fil majalis idza qila lakum fafsahu yafsahillahu lakum. O you who have believed, when you are told, space yourselves in assemblies, then make speech. Allah will make speech for you. وَإِذَا قِيلَ انشُزُوا فَانشُزُوا يَرْفَعِ اللَّهُ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا مِنكُمْ وَالَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْعِلْمَ دَرَجَاتٍ. And when you are told, arise, then arise. Allah will arise those who have believed among you and those who were given knowledge by degrees. Wallahu bima ta'maluna khabir. And Allah is acquainted with what you do. Ya ayyuhalladzina amanu idza najaitumur rasula faqaddimu baina yaday najwakum sadaqah. O you who have believed, when you wish to privately to cancel the messenger, present before your consultation a charity. ذَلِكَ خَيْرٌ لَكُمْ وَأَطْهَرُ فَإِنْ لَمْ تَجِدُوهُ فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ غَفُورٌ رَحِيمٌ. That is better for you and poorer. But if you know find the mean, the indeed Allah is forgiving and merciful.
أأشفقتم أن تقدموا بين يدي نجواكم صدقات.
Have you feared to present before your consultation or charity?
فإن لم تفعلوا وتاب الله عليكم فأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة. فأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة وأطيعوا الله ورسوله.
Then when you do not, and Allah has forgiven you, then at least establish prayer and give zakah and obey Allah and His Messenger.
والله خبير بما تعملون.
And Allah is acquainted with what you do.
صدق الله العظيم.
Is true what is said by Allah, the Most Great.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.